Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the psychology of color and its impact on human behavior. Colors play a significant role in our lives, influencing our emotions, behaviors, and perceptions. Have you ever wondered why certain colors make you feel happy, calm, or energetic? That's because each color has a psychological impact on the human mind. Understanding the psychology of color can help us harness its power in various aspects of our lives. Let's delve deeper into how different colors influence us. Red is a color that symbolizes passion, excitement, and energy. It can evoke strong emotions and stimulate appetite, making it a popular choice for food brands like McDonald's. On the other hand, blue is associated with calmness, trust, and stability. It is often used by technology companies to convey reliability and professionalism. Green represents nature, growth, and harmony. It is commonly used in branding to promote eco-friendliness and health. Yellow radiates happiness, positivity, and creativity. It can grab attention and is often used in marketing to create a sense of urgency. Orange combines the energy of red and the positivity of yellow, symbolizing enthusiasm and vitality. It is often used to create a call to action in advertising. Purple signifies luxury, wisdom, and creativity. It is often used by beauty and wellness brands to convey a sense of elegance. Pink represents romance, sweetness, and compassion. It is commonly associated with femininity and is used to target a female audience in marketing. Black is a color of sophistication, elegance, and power. It is often used in luxury branding to create a sense of exclusivity and mystery. White symbolizes purity, simplicity, and cleanliness. It is commonly used in healthcare and tech industries to convey a sense of safety and space. Understanding the psychological impact of colors can help businesses make strategic decisions in branding, marketing, and product design. By choosing the right colors, companies can evoke specific emotions and create memorable experiences for their customers. Moreover, individuals can use color psychology to enhance their daily lives, from decorating their homes to dressing for success. Next time you see a red logo, a blue room, or a green garden, remember the psychological influence that colors have on our behavior and emotions. Stay tuned for more insights on the Audio Mova Learning channel. Thank you for listening.